junior senator will spend a day in the life inside the state's opioid and heroin crisis. Senator Chris Murphy will meet with experts, police, and people dealing with addiction in 5 different cities. News 8's Kent Pierce is live for us at one of those locations to talk about the senator's plans. Kent, good morning.
Good morning to you, Laura. 5 different cities in 5 hours, talking to 5 very different groups of people about Connecticut's problem. And here in New Haven, he's going to be visiting this recovery house. It's a transitional facility helping people get off of drug abuse. And he's going to be talking to both the staff and the patients here about how they are working together to try to fight the growing drug problem in Connecticut. And it is growing fast. The number of people dying from drug overdoses has doubled since the year 2012. 720 Connecticut residents died from drug overdoses in Connecticut last year, and more than half of those died from using heroin. Heroin and other opioids are highly addictive and very dangerous as well. Senator Chris Murphy is going to begin his day today in Groton, meeting with a law enforcement task force to discuss how they are trying to fight the epidemic. Then he goes to Lawrence Memorial Hospital in New London, tours the emergency department there. Then he comes here to New Haven. Then it's on to Waterbury to meet with firefighters who use the drug Narcan to try to reverse opioid overdoses they get called to. And finally, he ends up in Bristol at the library there, talking to 3 people who are right now getting over their opioid addiction. And they're using that with the help of a particular medication, one called Suboxone. And Murphy is trying to get more federal funding for that kind of treatment in Connecticut. We're live in New Haven this morning. I'm Kent Pierce. Back to you.
Ken, thank you.